a 1971 Volkswagen Carbon Gear. It's a green one. It's going to be a full Volkswagen. I know it doesn't start because it has batteries. But we'll check out all the other stuff on this Carbon Gear. So let's hop in here. This Carbon Gear works out in a pretty good shape. Carbon Gear. It's a standard. Back here we have a plate. Let's see. 190 square XRS. I know this isn't.
I got the bumper getting polished.
No.
Antenna?
I got new one, yeah. A new antenna, a new, something wrong with the steering. When he does that, it doesn't fit into the box very well.
Let's pop the hood. It's this. It's this, right?
Mm-hmm.
This. This. This Carbon Gear is the same. Is kind of like the same. It's a 65 Volkswagen Beetle, and it's well the 66 model. And it has a button. If you want to see in the how do we pop the down?
Hi, Luke. Oh, which one's Luke? Oh, that's
Jake.
Jake. Okay.
Open. Oh, something's wrong.
Pull the trigger.
I will. Can I look inside? How do we pop the trunk?
I don't know, son.
Hey, Dad, this the castle looks like the one. I was right. Hey, Dad, do you want to get a car like this?
Mm-hmm. Why don't you go ask the man? Go ask David.
Hey!
Go, don't shout. You go ask.
Can I come?
Mm-hmm.
You come.
Okay.
The gas cap's right here. What's in here, Daddy? Actually, I don't buy it. What's in here? What's in here, Daddy?
I don't know. Don't get your feet run over though, boys. It'll be on you anyway.
How do we open the front?
The glove box. No, not underneath the glove box. I think there's a little right here. Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's getting on. In the glove. Look in the glove box. Right here.
Wow. That's pretty cool, Luke. In the glove box.
No, this is.
That's where the spare goes, I believe.
Yeah, I got this. Thanks for reminding me. I got it in there.
Where is it? Where is it?
Hang on, Luke. Let's finish the walk around.
Daddy, Carbon Gear.
Don't move.
These tires. Some of the tires are flat.
Mm-hmm. Definitely low.
The opening. I did it. I don't think this has no gas in it.
Nope. Mm-hmm.
Was special. Hey, look. Wait, Jay needs to take his hair off because they went for hair. David thinks David needs to take that one off.
We'll let David do it.
This looks like a fast car. Car does not start at all. Daddy, look at the exhaust on this thing. Look at this. That's kind of the same as the Volkswagen Beetle 67 model. And then 67. This is the 71. It's the same exhaust as this. What? No. Daddy's Volkswagen Let's go ahead and wrap this up.
Don't tell them where we're from today.
We're from Colorado.
Green Mountain Falls, Colorado.